friends, and welcome to Kiddoskoral. Today we're going to be packing a picnic, and I thought that you could cook along with me, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that like button if you'd like to see more of these types of videos. I'm going to get ready and packing my picnic basket, and I'm using crescent rolls. All you want to do is you want to roll out your crescent dough, and you just want to take your fingers and you want to push the seams all together so it makes one full crust. A second can that I'm going to open. I am just going to press this together so that it forms one nice size pizza, like a pizza crust. I'm going to bake this and I'm going to let it cool, and in the meantime I'm going to start on something else for our picnic. I'm going to make my cream cheese tarts, and I want to be able to slip these into the oven right after my crescents come out, which should be here in like 2 minutes. So I have 2 packages of cream cheese, 2 cups of sugar. We're going to do 2 eggs, and I make these all the time. I don't even have to look at the recipe anymore. Some vanilla extract to this, and I'm going to use my whisk attachment, add that to my mixer, and you just want this to get good and creamy. My cupcake liners, and in the bottom of each liner I have a vanilla wafer. I'm using, you see this a lot in a lot of my videos, I know, but my little scooper, and I'm just going to scoop out the cream cheese mixture and put it right on top. My oven's already preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to bake these for about 20 minutes and they should be done. A great addition to a picnic is a great pasta salad, and I love these Suddenly salad. I'm using the Caesar ones. I'm going to make 2 boxes, however I may not have to pack 2 boxes, but I'll have some leftovers in the fridge for us to munch on this week. But this is such a simple way to add an addition to any meal, and everything is all in the box, and it is so easy to put together. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to start reading the directions, and I'm going to boil my pasta and get it started. My pasta salad is almost done, and I just wanted to share with you guys these containers that I picked up that it's going to actually make packing for the picnic a lot easier, to have some really nice containers, and these are very affordable. These come from Walmart. And I am just going to simply mix my pasta salad right in one of these. And that way all I have to do is slip it into my picnic basket and it's ready. Assembling my pasta salad. All of my noodles are already cooked. And then I have my dressing here, which was really simple. You just mix the seasoning packet with the mayonnaise. You add a little bit of milk to this and some salt and pepper. And you don't have to use mayonnaise. You can use vegetable oil or oil, but I like the mayonnaise because it makes it really, really creamy. Now I'm going to pop the lid on this, and I'm going to put this in the refrigerator so it stays nice and cold until I'm ready to put in the picnic basket. Now I'm going to make the topping for my picnic pizza. And I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and to that I'm going to mix in a ranch dressing packet. This is just a Kroger brand, but I've also bought the ones from ALDI's, and I love both. I'm going to add that in, and all I want to do is blend this, and when my crust gets completely cool, this is what I'm going to put on my pizza. My crust is completely cool, and I'm just spatulaing this out. And then I'm just going to get a regular butter knife and spread it on here. Now I'm going to spread this. And I'm not going to put my veggies on this until I am ready to leave. Because if you use vegetables on this pizza, that have a lot of water content like cucumbers, it will soak through and make your crust very, very mushy. I'm going to top my mini cheesecakes with cherries. These are completely cooled. And as you can see, they fell in. I'm going to give you a closer look so you guys can see. Can you see how it fell in the center? That's normal. So if you make these and they cool and they do that, don't fret. Just put some cherries right in the center.